Right? Matisse can beat him.
So Pacquiao is going to have a very hard time.
If Lucas catches Manny, Manny's going down.
Lucas the Machine Matthysse versus Manny Pacquiao. Kumusta mga pre? Sa bagong video natin ngayon ay pag-usapan natin ang naging laban ng kinatatakutang knockout artist ng welterweight division na si Lucas Matthysse kontra sa ating pambato na si Manny Pacquiao, na kung saan maraming nagsasabing ito na raw ang magiging huling laban ni Pacman at mag-focus na lang sa pagkasenador at maglingkod sa bayan, at kung paano ito pinatunayan ni Pacman na hindi pa tapos ang kanyang karirang pinaghirapan. Pero kung bago ka sa aking munting channel pre, pasuporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Sinasabing matagal na umanong niluluto ang labang Matthysse-Pacman, pero naonsya daw ito dahil sa pagkatalo nito kay Danny Garcia noong 2013. Pero taong 2018 ay wala nang makakapigil para pagtagpuin ang dalawa. Si Matthysse ay mula sa impresibong panalo via 8-round TKO kontra sa undefeated boxer na taga Thailand, habang si Pacquiao ay mula naman sa napaka-controversial na talo via unanimous decision kontra kay Jeff Horn. Naganap ang laban sa bansang Malaysia noong July 15, 2018. Sa laban na ito ay bit-bit ni Pacman ang record na 59 wins, 7 losses at 38 KOs, habang si Matthysse naman ay 39 wins, 4 losses at 36 KOs. Sa record pa lang ay napakatindi na nitong knockout artist ng Argentina. Sa 39 na panalo ay 36 dito ang pinabagsak niya. Kaya marami ang nagsasabing patutulugin nito si Pacman. Isa na dito ang dating nakalaban at pinasuko ni Pacquiao na si De La Hoya. Ayon pa sa kanya na kung aabot sa desisyon ang laban ay panalo si Pacman, pero kung hindi aabot ay tulog siya kay Matthysse. Lalo na sa laban na ito ay wala ang original na head coach na si Freddie Roach dahil sa hindi pagkakaunawaan. Kaya ang pumalit bilang head coach ay ang matagal na kaibigan ni Pacman na si Buboy Fernandez. Pero sa mismong laban ay hindi nagpabaya si Pacman sa depensa. Alam niyang malakas sumuntok itong Argentinian kaya taas kamay lagi ang ginagawa niya. Pero sa third round ay bubagsak itong si Matthysse.
33 years old.
Nasundan pa ito ng pinaluhod ni Pacman sa round 5. At ang huling knockdown niya ay sa round 7 na kung saan umayaw na nga itong tinatatakutang knockout artist. Maging si Pacquiao ay nagulat sa maagang pagbagsak ni Matthysse dahil sa pagkakaalam niya ay mahirap itong kalaban. Panalo ang ating kababayan via TKO sa round 7 at ito ang kauna-unahang panalo ni Pacman via TKO sa loob ng 8 taon.
Miguel Cotto, and he has not just re-established himself, he has changed the configuration of boxing again. The 60th win in the grand career of Pacquiao.
Sa interview ay inamin ni Matthysse na magaling nga talaga ito si Pacman at mabilis. At tanggap din daw niya ang pagkatalo, lalo na nanggagaling sa isang legend. Sabi pa niya, ganyan lang daw naman ang sports, may panalo at may talo. Nagpahayag na rin si Matthysse ng kanyang pagretiro sa mundo ng boxing pagkatapos ng laban. Dala-dala ang $2.5 million na pinakamalaking premyo niya sa buong karera. Sa huling dalawang laban niya bago kay Pacman, bagamat panalo si Matthysse, ay $410,000 lang ang kanyang kinita. Sa laban na ito ay pinatunayan ni Pacquiao na di pa siya laos. Kaya pa niyang makipagbakbakan kahit knockout artist pa yan.
Would you like to fight next?
That's another story and another discussion.
Is weighing in at 146 pounds. His professional record 59 victories, 146.7 pounds. His professional record 39 victories, 36 of those 39.
Okay, Lucas, Manny, trunks are good on both sides. Anything on the...
Trying to push him back, similar to Horn.
Cisse doesn't worry about getting to the scorecards much. He has scored 63 knockouts knockdown.
About 30 seconds ago, and it just barely missed Manny Pacquiao.
His best shot is the Marquez strategy. I don't know if he's technically proficient enough.
There it is again, just missed. The punch that we're gonna be looking for later in the fight.
Manny Pacquiao throws. Doubles up the jab, came in with a straight right, and Matthysse tries to fire back with a right of his own.
Matthysse trying to stand his ground here. Manny Pacquiao's getting his combinations off, but Matthysse firing back, trying to find spots to fire back. Matthysse knows that he doesn't have that horse needed to beat a guy like Manny Pacquiao. He has a powerful guy in Matthysse, don't get me wrong. And he's controlling some of the action in spots.
Since Kuala Lumpur has hosted a fight of this magnitude, you have to go back to when Muhammad Ali was 33 years old and had a 15-round unanimous decision as the knockdown is scored here in round number 3. Pacquiao
still has those punches from odd angles.
Here he comes.
A 45 type uppercut came right up the middle. Split the guard of Matthysse.
And now we have an answer to one of the central questions here, which is how much power.
It's what he's always been. And it got the best of Matthysse there in round number 3.
And it was lightning fast.
Left uppercut to Pacquiao. Trying to get around the guard now with that left hand is Pac-Man. Better work from the jab with Matthysse. Pacquiao comes in behind the double jab. Matthysse goes to the...
Matisse's best shot is if he drops his left hand.
Yeah. He dropped his left hand, but the problem I made was I double jab. And he came right down the pipe with his left hand. The speed of Manny Pacquiao and the power of Manny Pacquiao. Still 39 years old.
Backs him up, utilizing that jab. Comes with a left hand that gets around the guard. Well, he knows what his weaponry is and what he's capable of. No matter what you see, no matter how consistent the work early by Pacquiao has been, including, by the way, a sensational uppercut that scored a knockdown, Matthysse is that right guard.
To this point, I think this is Pacquiao's most physically dominant round.
I want to see Pacquiao starting getting a little relaxed in there. Matthysse still dangerous.
Then a counter right.
Having some moments in this round.
Oh, that got to him. He takes a knee after Pacquiao lands. Stop standing in front. You're right in front of Pacquiao. He wants movement. He's not getting it. His turns to feel as though he's recharged and set. And he gets right back to work and does so with a combination. And there's that left uppercut again with that sneaky angle.
They don't come out in one of these rounds.
Hey, listen. The power's in there. He can show it.
The frustration, the speed of Manny Pacquiao.
This has been a consistent Manny Pacquiao. Manny Pacquiao who works, who darts in and out, who shows you glimpses of what he's always shown us and has scored 2 knockdowns already.
Good jab from Matthysse.
Needs to double that up even more. Keep going with it. There's that uppercut again from Pacquiao. Get under that guard there. Placed the body shot moments ago as Matthysse comes forward again.
Pacquiao moving forward. Matthysse looked like he was trying to go down to the body with the right hand.
It's funny, we saw the birth of Regis Prograis as a star tonight here. And first thing out of his mouth, give me Pacquiao.
Exactly.
I want to see it. I want to see that fight.
Oh, there is a...
Uppercut again, and he puts him down again. Pacquiao floors him a 3rd time. Pacquiao has done it. No.
KO victory. And now, once again, he is the welterweight champion of the world, the fighting pride of the Philippines, Manny